Grand Duke Gediminas was on a hunting trip in the forest of Šventaragės Valley, around the mouth of the river Vilnia. He killed an European bison that day. He decided to set up camp and spend the night there. While he was asleep, Gediminas had an unusual dream in which he saw an iron wolf at the top of the mountain. The iron wolf was standing on the top of a hill with its head raised proudly towards the moon, howling as loud as 100 wolves. Awakened, the Duke remembered his strange dream. He consulted with the pagan priestess Deka about it. "The howling of the wolf," explained the priest, "represents the fame of the future city. That city will be a capital of Lithuanian lands, and its reputation would spread far and wide, as far as the howling of the mysterious wolf." Next day, Gediminas immediately started to build the future capital, and took it the name Vilnius from the stream of the rapid Vilnia.